Hi everyone and welcome to the last fun session of Introduction to Clay Modeling. Today we make realistic 3D clay portraits. This art of sculpting realistic portraits is not new and has been done for many years. But today I'll show you a quick and easy way so that it will be hassle-free. So this is our picture and we will be giving it a 3D shape. So for the 3D shapes we use some foam sheets, as you can see. Now for example, if I need to create a face, I'll use a circular cutout of the face. I'll place it over there. Then I'll use the cutout for the forehead to give it a 3D look. Then I'll make the nose. So we'll add up these layers so that it gives a 3D shape, and then we'll smoothen them out. Let's try it. Now let's imprint it using a carbon paper. This was the face structure and this is what we get. Now let's use a paper cutter and cut it out. We have our basic shape for the face ready over here. Now similarly, let's prepare for the forehead, nose, lips and the other features. Now this is the forehead plus nose part which is put over here like this, right? Now you place it over here. Similarly, these are the cheeks over here. Now these are the very rough parts, so we will use a scissor and a cutter and we'll chop these off and we'll make them smooth so that when we put our clay we can shape it. After chopping, it's ready now. Now let's use a glue and fix this together. Now let this dry and let's create the other shapes. And this is how it looks. Now let's glue this onto the board. Now let's wait for it to dry. Now let's use our sculpt dry clay and some modeling tools . So these are the facial features. Now let's draw these dresses. This is how it looks. Now while using air dry clay with your hand, sometimes your hand can be like this. But there's no need to worry. All you need to do is get a good wash and it will be gone in seconds. But if you don't want to use this, then you can wear gloves as well. As you can see, this artwork is not smooth. So we'll use a piece of sandpaper and smoothen out it. So let's sand the artwork. All you need to do is rub it like this and you'll see that small granules are coming out like fine dust. So it's basically smoothening our artwork. Now it's up to you. You can, for example, you see here, right? You can fold this like this to go into the grooves. You can wrap it around your finger as well so that you have a hold of it, and then you rub it. So this is how it looks. I've added this cute coat over here. Now let's use these acrylic colors and paint this. So this is how the face looks. Now let's color this face. Now let's create the other designs and get this done. Ta-da! The result looks surreal, right? You guys can frame it, show it off, and even gift it to someone you really care about. If you like this activity, do give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. I hope in this course you have learned a lot of new and fun activities that you can do with clay. Our journey of clay modeling has unfortunately come to an end, but don't worry because I'll be seeing you guys with another hobby and another course, and together we'll learn and grow. So before I leave, I wanted to ask, what's your hobby?